Hi guys, what's up? This is Shreya Gade of class 10th A from Vidya Pratishtan's new Bal Vikas Mandir Pimpri. Today I am going to explain you the most important system, that is excretory system in human beings. It is also known as urinary system. Now let's start. Excretion. What is excretion? The biological process involved in the removal of toxic waste and harmful metabolic waste from the body is called as excretion. For doing this whole process, we need the help of some organs. Which are these organs? These are a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. First, we will discuss about the kidneys. Kidneys are located in the abdomen, one on the either side of the backbone. Kidneys are bean-shaped, reddish brown in color. Kidneys consist of nephrons, which are functional unit of kidneys, and the function of the kidneys is filtering out nitrogenous waste, that is purifying the blood, and osmoregulation, that is maintaining right amount of water and ionic balance in the body. The next organ is ureters. These are ureters. It is emerged from hilum of each kidney. It is a slender and whitish tube and we called as ureters. The function of ureter is carry the urine formed in the kidney to the urinary bladder. The third organ is urinary bladder. It is a pear-shaped muscular reservoir, or we can call it a muscular bag, in which the urine is stored until it is released through the urethra. The fourth and the last organ is urethra. This is urethra. It is a site through which urine is excreted, and function of urethra is to excrete the urine from the body. Now we have just seen the organs of urinary system. Now we will see how the urine is produced and why it is produced. First we will talk about why the urine is produced. Urine is produced to filtrate out all the nitrogenous waste from the body. Nitrogenous waste such as urea and uric acid are removed in the kidney from our blood, and each kidney consists of a large number of filtrate units called nephrons, which are closely packed to each other. Nephrons are structural and functional unit of kidneys. Nephrons consist of upper end cup-shaped Bowman's capsule, which contain a large or a bunch of capillaries arise from the artery. And these capillaries bring blood along with the waste material and excess of water to the kidneys from the body. The main function or the purpose of the nephron is the formation of urine. We have seen why the urine is produced. Now we will see how it is produced. For producing urine, the three main steps are there. First one is glomerular ultrafiltration, second one is tubular reabsorption, and third one is tubular secretion. In the process of glomerular ultrafiltration, all the substances or fluids and solutes of the body are filtered except large protein molecules. Nephron consists of upper end called Bowman's capsule. It contains a fluid, it is called glomerular filtrate, and this fluid consists of materials such as water, salts and plasma solutes. And the second step is tubular reabsorption. In this process, glomerular filtrate produces a large amount of useful material like glucose, amino acids, salts and water, and these useful material is reabsorbed by the blood capillaries, and this is known as tubular reabsorption. The third and the last step is tubular secretion. It is mainly done in the renal tubule and collecting ducts of nephrons. In this process, substances like creatinine and drugs like phenol and penicillin are directly excreted by the tubular cells. Now, I will show you the working of urinary system. This is the working of urinary system. Now, we will talk about the hemodialysis. We recall the function of the kidney. What is the function of kidney? The function of kidney is filtering out the nitrogenous waste, that is purifying the blood. You must have heard that a person having a kidney failure in your neighborhood or in your relatives. In such type of person, how the blood is purified? The kidney may be failure, kidney failure may be occur by some injury or infection. But in this person, can blood purified or not? Or if purified, how can it be purified? Yes, of course, the blood in this person can be purified by using artificial kidney. Coming to the concept hemodialysis, the process of purifying blood by an artificial kidney is called as hemodialysis. Now, I am going to tell you some facts about our urinary system. The glomerular filtrate produced in a day by our body is 180 liters, but the urine excreted is about 1 to 2 liters a day. The size of our fist is same as to our kidneys, and the size of our brain is equal to as size of our urinary bladder. I want to thank all the respected teachers, Mokasha Miss, Dipali Miss, Karuna Miss and Shakila Miss for their guidance, and respected Principal Ma'am, that is Barokar Ma'am, for providing such amazing platform to express my view on biology, on the subjects like biology. I really thank them once again. Thank you. Have a nice day.